Hello, and welcome to the Honeywell MAXPRO Cloud How-To video series. In this video, we're going to cover how to upgrade controller firmware in MAXPRO Cloud. This feature allows remote upgrading of controller firmware, enabling easier maintenance of systems without having to travel to a site. To initiate a firmware upgrade, first go to mymaxprocloud.com and log into your MAXPRO Cloud account. Once logged in, from the dashboard, select the menu icon in the upper left corner of the page, and then select Firmware. Once the page loads, select the customer account and site from the drop-down in the upper left corner. Next, select the desired controller type from the Controller Type drop-down. All controllers on the selected site will be displayed in the list. Lastly, select Search to list the controllers that match the selection. The New Updates tab in the results list will show any controllers that were found with firmware lower than the current release, as well as any additional information, including their current version and the available version. Check the checkbox to the left of any controllers you wish to update and select the version you wish to apply from the drop-down on the far right under Available Version. Next, click the Update button in the bottom right of the screen to initiate the update. The current version will change to indicate the update is being downloaded, as well as the percentage complete. The Updated tab lists previously initiated firmware updates along with their updated version and the date on which the update was applied. Once the firmware update is complete, the controller will reboot and begin operating on the new firmware. This concludes the steps to update controller firmware in MAXPRO Cloud. Remember that the MAXPRO Cloud Web Help Configuration Guide provides a wealth of information and additional step-by-step instructions. It can easily be accessed from any page in MAXPRO Cloud by selecting the question mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen and selecting Help. The guide will launch in a separate window from which you may browse or search topics. Additional resources may also be found at honeywelldiscovertraining.com. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.